Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your DisplayPort-equipped computer to an HDTV or monitor with HDMI input? This HDMI to DisplayPort cable offers a direct, convenient solution that ensures crisp video and clear audio without any complicated setup. I've tested this cable myself and was impressed by how smoothly it handles both video streaming and gaming. Whether you want to extend your desktop or mirror your display, it delivers sharp 1080p Full HD resolution and flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed digital 7.1.5.1 or stereo sound channels. That means no lag, no distortion, just pure quality. What sets this cable apart is the attention to detail. Gold-plated connectors and bare copper conductors ensure superior signal transmission, while the foil and braid shielding reduce interference for a rock-solid connection. Plus, the HDMI end features latches with a release button, so your connection stays secure until you're ready to unplug. One standout feature is the unique backshell design. Instead of bulky, square connectors, this cable sports a slimmer, tapered shape that's easier to plug in and remove. It's a thoughtful touch that shows real design care, something I appreciate as a designer myself. And with a brand headquartered in the USA, you get reliable quality and support. If you've struggled with unreliable adapters or cables that degrade your signal, this HDMI to DisplayPort cable is worth a look. It's built to last and designed to deliver consistent performance every time you connect your computer to a display. Ready to upgrade your setup? This cable makes connecting your DisplayPort device to an HDMI display straightforward and dependable. It's perfect for anyone who wants smooth video and audio without fuss, whether for work, entertainment, or gaming. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free HD streaming and gaming with a cable that combines smart design and solid performance. It's the simple upgrade your setup has been waiting for.